how to buy dark Eclipse token. So this token came under the symbol of dark. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, don't forget to go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have a community there. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and it increased by 6,000% in less than 4 hours, and this token trends in number 1 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address. I suggest to open your funds wallet for that. Now here click on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, select the provider by clicking on pricing, click on provider and select the Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back and as you can see, click here on swap and you will be able to relax to the Jupiter provider page to be able to get this token. So this is how to buy a dark token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.